On behalf of the Springfield Police Department and the Awards Committee, Mr. Mark Warman is hereby presented a special recognition award for his assistance that led to the capture and prosecution of a prolific criminal.
So basically, my dad was watching the cops watch these two guys at the bus stop. He notices that one guy shoves something into the other guy's backpack and gets on the bus. So he tells the police right after the bus takes off. The police chase the bus down and stop it, and it turns out to be money from a bank robbery.
My job doesn't end with these four walls, okay?
So apparently he's some type of hero now.
Well, he's a hero in the police officer's eyes that help us apprehend that criminal and recover the stolen money, and I'm sure for the bank.
Mark does not need an ego boost. If anything, he needs the ego deflated.
When somebody comes up and says that you're excellent, for example, you have to take that into consideration that A, they don't give them out to very many people, okay? And B, it's something that you earn.
All of a sudden, my dad thinks that he's John McClane from Die Hard, and this is the Nakatomi Plaza, and he busted some terrorists.
So I apprehended a bank robber.
He just saw some criminal activity and squealed on the guy. That's what happened.
You know, I mean, I don't let it go to my head. We never could have done it without Mark, and he foiled the crime. On behalf of the Springfield Police Department, the Chief of Police, Jerry Smith, wanted to thank me personally. So that's what the letter's for, and the back.
Just wait till the guy gets out of jail. He's coming back.
Hey everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you, hit subscribe.